Hi, I'm Howard Glazer. I'm the writer for the column in Dental Economics, I Have It, You Need It. And I'm excited to be here with everybody at PulpDent at 2019 IDS in Cologne, Germany. It's a very exciting meeting, lots of new and exciting things happening. One of the things I'm really excited about is the concept of biomimicry, where we can actually help restore health to the tooth, is going to now be available in Latin America and South America, Christy.
Yes,
I think that's
right.
really exciting because the message is getting out. Now when we have caries that has destroyed the ions and you lose the ions of phosphor and calcium in the tooth during the decay process, we can restore from a pool of available calcium and phosphate ions right back into the tooth along with fluoride release. So this is a really exciting chemical phenomenon, if you will, that's going on that helps me save teeth. Tell me a little bit about what's going to happen with the advancement into Latin America and South America.
Well, I love your enthusiasm, Howard. It's amazing and contagious. We should just bottle that up. But PulpDent has been an international company for 71 years now, and we are in 110 countries existing around the world, but we have never really emerged into Latin and South America markets. So we've had some really exciting progress this week at IDS, which is one of the things that makes IDS so incredible, is you're really able to meet with people from everywhere in the world. You're able to find people you can trust that can really honor what you do and the company that you've built. And we found the best partner for us to be emerging into 10 markets across Latin and Central America and eventually Brazil.
That's incredible. And Brazil is known as one of the biggest aesthetic markets. So, this is, as a practicing dentist, I use these materials. When I have a patient with deep decay and I want to eradicate the decay and help provide health for the tooth and restore that secondary dent and everything, I'm going to use ACTIVA base liner.
Yes.
Because nothing beats that.
No.
And it's really, from my perspective, it's squirt and shoot technology. I mean, it's self-etch, self-adhesive. You just lay it in there, wait 20 seconds. I must tell you, I'm frustrated. I zap it with a light for 20 seconds, which doesn't harm it at all. And just facilitates it, right? And then over it, I'll use a direct restorative, PulpDent's restorative material, which is sort of the same idea, the same ion release in the mixture of saliva and everything and moisture. And it work. That doesn't mean a puddle of saliva. That just means moist tooth. And what's nice about that is, again, it's squirt and shoot. Although I will very often selectively etch my enamel, which only enhances the bond, right?
It does, exactly. And we are really encouraging our users with ACTIVA Restorative to use a bonding agent. And the reason for that is there are selective cases where, especially with the class 5, you should always be using a bonding agent. And we are encouraging that with all of our clinicians around the world to do
so. And speaking of clinicians around the world, a lot of us treat children.
Yes.
And I sometimes treat children that wear 46 extra long. So they're just bigger babies, bigger kids. But you actually make a pediatric version of ACTIVA. Tell me about that.
Yeah, so here is ACTIVA Kids, and the difference with ACTIVA Kids is that it is a little bit more opaque, so it's a little bit more visible, which sometimes parents want. As you know, as a dentist, parents have high demands often, and it's really the same technology, so it's providing a release of not just fluoride ions, but also calcium and phosphate that are really helping to provide the tooth with what it needs to give the children a strong foundation within their dental and oral care.
See, products like this are excellent because what it's, and I know you all can't say it, but I will say it as a practicing dentist, no longer am I a reparative dentist, but PulpDent's products are allowing me to truly be a restorative dentist.
Yes, you can truly begin to save teeth.
And that's what I'm looking to do, make teeth healthier, make patients happier, and have their own teeth for a longer time.
And that helps them build their trust in you.
I would hope so. Thanks for being here with me today on the show.
Thank you, Howard.
I appreciate it, and auf Wiedersehen from IDS 2019.
Thank you.